Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are working on building Eli's birthday present, and Eli always gets us with his birthday requests. This clubhouse and play area was his birthday gift last year. And this year he wanted a zip line, so that's what Glenn is working on right now. And he didn't grab the camera when he came out, so I thought this might be a good thing to record in case anyone else would like to install a zip line or would like to just have some entertainment. So when I came down here, of course the first thing I said was, this post is not, it's crooked, but apparently it's fine.
It's leaning.
It's just leaning a little bit, but it's really hard to manipulate a light pole once it's in the ground. So step one was to obtain one of these light poles that my dad actually had laying around, and planted it in the ground. How far did you plant it in the ground?
As far as the auger on the tractor would go, which was about 3 foot.
Okay, so it's roughly 3 foot in the ground. Depending on your setup, you just have to kind of modify your design with whatever you have. It looks like we actually bolted the pole here to the playground area, so that hopefully the kids are going to be able to start the zip line from this little platform and head down towards the woods, and we'll see how that turns out.
And we're going to see how much this pulls. I'm not sure. I feel like it'll have a lot of pressure on it, and if it's pulling too hard, then we can just run a guide wire down to the ground, put an anchor in the ground over here, just like they do like with a power pole or whatever. So I guess that's about it. We're ready to open the box.
Okay, so yeah, I guess Eli kind of got this idea from a pumpkin patch that we went to last fall. They had a zip line for the kids to play on, so we were gonna just buy all the parts we needed to make that ourselves. But then I came across this zip line kit. It's made by Hearth Song. It's a 150-foot zip line. The weight limit's 250 pounds. I actually got this from Walmart.com. It was the cheapest place I could find it, and I'll kind of show you guys what parts it comes with, and then as we install it, we'll let you see that also. They had different ones that came in different lengths, just depending on what size area you have to cover. If you can see what's coming in the box.
That'll be you run your cable through that to wrap around the tree, so that the cable don't cut into it, tree or post or whatever. There's your trolley. It's like a turnbuckle for adjusting the tension on the cable.
Instructions, we won't need those.
Looks like 1/4 inch cable, maybe 5/6 inches.
And what's this piece?
This will be one of your bump stops. It'll go on, it's got holes in it. You'll feed the cable through, like so. And when you hit it, it'll have some give to it. D-ring.
Alright, and then this one came with a seat too. Not sure how long this is gonna last. It's just plastic, but we'll see
Cable should last for a long time. And this goes on the bottom. It's got a knot right here. It's like a slip. What is that? Some kind of knot where it's adjustable. You can move it. I'm not a Boy Scout. So that will adjust your height. Looks like a long.
Yeah, looks like definitely have to adjust that.
Then there's another attachment cable. That's it.
All right. So they're going to be ending the zip line somewhere down there where the wood start, just depending on how far the cable will reach. While I'm right here, I'll just go ahead and show you the other thing Eli requested for his birthday. I'm not sure if we'll have the other video uploaded when this one goes up, but Eli always gets us with his birthday requests. So this year he wanted a zip line and some cows. Do we have cows already? No. Do we have any idea what we're doing taking care of these cows? Basically just what we've learned off of YouTube. But these are 3 bottle calves that we have been feeding for the past few days now. We've got Izzy, Miss Molly. I'm a little bit worried about her. She's not as active as the other 2. And then we've got, those are both heifers. Then we've got David here. He's our bull calf that we will be banding soon, so we'll make a video of that too. We did have another calf that lived in this stall, but he didn't make it. He died the day after we got him. From what we can tell, he had pneumonia. We've got 3 left, so we've got Eli's cows and then working on Eli's zip line. Alright, so step number 1 was to attach this turnbuckle to the cable sling that's going to go around the starting point, or the highest point of the zip line, which for us is going to be this light pole here behind us. The instruction manual comes with a way to figure out how high your starting point should be. We are just going to use kind of a little trial and error because our yard where the path of the zip line is going to go over is sloped quite a bit, and we are not sure exactly which tree we're going to use for the ending. And also we're thinking the kids will kind of go down the zip line, and if they get to the end, it's fine if it kind of brings them back towards the middle before they get off of it. So we're just going to use a little trial and error to see how high the starting point needs to be. Alright, so here's the end of the zip line course, and we have put the little tree protector thing on the cable, and also put the bumper stop there on the cable, and up there's the beginning. Now we just have to attach this part. So cold today. It's like 42 degrees with the wind blowing snow. 2 days ago on Easter we got sunburnt because it was nice and warm. But that's what you get this time of year. So now we pull the cable tight-ish, and what are you putting on now?
Cable clamps.
Cable clamps to secure the cable. There you can see how it goes around the tree with the tree protector. And then right here we have the rubber stop. We might have to adjust that a little bit. And then Eli, I just can't wait to try it out. All right, now what do we need to do, Eli?
We need to raise this and up.
Why?
So it'll be high enough to where our feet don't go.
Okay.
I think that's a little high.
Oh yeah.
Wait, let me see. That's it. I bet.
So you can't even get on it. You could ride it like that, but you can't get this.
I bet you could hop on. Like hold both handles at the same
I
time.
think
and
the
hop
seat's too high. What do you think, Eli?
on. I could just jump on it and ride it, but I'm scared. I'm not sure at all. Is it gonna go if I hop on it?
Yeah.
And I don't know how well it's going to stop at the other end.
Oh, no.
And y'all can't get off of it either. It'll be too high.
Let's try it. With me. Don't let it go. Don't let it go.
Or you can pull the rope and
Do not let it go.
I got it.
seat's too high. Ready?
Yeah.
Are you letting it go?
Yeah, let go.
Hold on, Eli.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Go.
We need a picture. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh gosh. Okay, hold on.
We're in the briar patch. Alright, so I didn't use the entire cable, and you seen Eli come down, the rubber stop was about where it is now, and he pushed it all the way into that little tree right there. So I've got another cable clamp that didn't come with the kit, and I'm going to add it right here so that that will stop. And if you use the whole cable, the kit, you know, where it can, if you used all of the cable and put the clamp on the very end, then it wouldn't go no further if this was all the way over to where my loop around the tree is. But I had to use a tree that wasn't the edge of the woods, so we'll just put a clamp on it right here. Should hold. Ready?
Yeah.
Can you get on it now? Or do I need to lower it now? I would leave that locked up. Until you get on it. You gotta be able to do this by yourself. Is it too high? What's too high? Can you reach the trolley? Okay. I think what you gotta do is grab the trolley and jump and wrap your legs around that. Maybe a little too much. Go. Go. Well guys, there you have it. Took a little trial and error and a little bit of adjusting here and there, raising and lowering different ends to get what we was looking for, but if you're thinking about putting in a zip line, you sure can do it. It's not too much trouble. So kids seem to be having a good time on it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed it and you found it useful. And if you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you hadn't already, go down and subscribe. We sure would appreciate it. And we'll see you next time.